eto na talaga, excited na talaga yung lahat ng tao. Sabi ko nga, we're 200 plus here, no? So, siya po ang magbibigay, magre-reveal at special announcement and updates. Palakpakan natin, put our hands together, our Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Joey Marcelo. Yes, clap your hands! Woo!
Alright, game. May naiwanan ako. Pabot na yung iPad ko. Alright. Okay na ba kayo? Sorry, litong-lito na lahat sa program ito. Kagagaling namin sa Salvo taping and shooting sa World Trade. We didn't expect it's the whole day. Nag-start ako ng shooting doon 7, 3:30, hindi pa ako tapos. Puro one take lang naman, bawal sa akin ng 2 takes, diba? Ang haba. Yung elites ang kawawa, dahil late na sila. Don't know kung makakaabot sila, pero good luck, diba? Hindi nakaabot yung mga host. Okay lang, ako na lang din lahat. Nalito na lahat eh. Pati sibing nalito na. Okay lang. We're all late naman eh. Okay ba kayo? Okay lang malit. May food naman eh. Naserve na ba yung food? Pag you serve, baka mag-uwian to mga to. Sige, anyway, well, that's just a mood setter. Let's go to the, Ryan, subukan natin. Bantayan mo lang yung slide. Alright. It's working. Ready na ba kayo? Yes! Anong hinintay nyo? Relax lang konti. Hingan lang ko ng konti. Grabe traffic, 2 hours from World Trade. Pero ang ganda nung taping kanina, nakaka-excite. Alam mo yung habang ginagawa namin yun, that's an intro for Salvo. Habang ginagawa namin, kinikilabutan din ako dun sa, ako nag-audio, nag-voice record, tapos yung, ang galing. Kaya sabi ko, pag natapos, gusto ko naman pa rin yung video, pag natapos yung video, I believe it will really excite you, di ba? Pero syempre, pangarap ko, balang araw, isa na kayo sa mga nandun sa mga introduction video. Sa ngayon, sino gustong makasama balang araw, taas ang mga kamay? Yan. Sino balang araw gusto na sa mga advertisement ng Sante, taas ang mga kamay? Sino balang araw gustong madyaryo? Depende yun. Hindi na uso ngayon yun, hindi na uso. Sagwa, meron pa bang nadyadyaryo ngayon? Parang wala na. Ano nga sabi yung shirt? Type yung shirt, maganda. Available to for everyone, no? Sabihin, eventually, magkakaroon ba sila ng ganito? Jeng, meron? Pwede? Pwede, di ba? Hindi kailangan lahat, kailangan practice pa lang to, di ba? Alright, ganda, no? Kaya pwede isuot. Kaya hindi tayo nagpagawa ng t-shirt. Pag t-shirt kasi baka hindi nyo isuot during yung business hours, di ba? So, what we'll do first, alam ko excited na kayo sa reveal. So, some updates muna before we do our grand reveal. At mamaya, malalaman natin kung tama ang hula nyo, di ba? Ngayon, kung tama ang hula nyo, edi pag mayabang mo lang na tama ang hula ko, di ba? Tignan natin kung may pumansin sa'yo, di ba? So, some year-end highlights, okay? Dapat sila nagsasabi niya, tapos intro nila ako, tapos lalapit ako rito. Diba? So, ladies and gentlemen, the CEO, Mr. Joey Marcelo. Ayan, ito na. Ano na ako, diba? Yan na, okay, dapat ganun yun eh. Alright. Quick updates muna. Some Sante Philippines updates. By the way, if our partners from all over the globe are watching, most of the updates right now is for Sante Philippines. Pero of course, yung grand reveal natin, affected yung lahat ng Filipino community dyan globally. Alright, for our partners from Singapore, Hong Kong, Macau, even Qatar and Dubai and US, even Cyprus, maraming Filipino ron. So malaki may tutulong ng ating grand reveal mamaya sa kanila. So some Sante Philippine updates. Of course, we have the Sante Partnership Program. Announce ko lang, this coming December 12, of course, we'll be having this beautiful and handsome speakers hosted by si Ana ang host. Main speaker is si Malu. Share will be Leslie, Mara, and of course, our Chris. Wow, jam-pack. So, in-announce ko lang yung date. Nabago yata yung date, kaya ako in-announce yung bagong date. Tama ba yan? But anyway, mark this date. Okay, Thursday yan, no? Tama, no? December 12. Alright. Sunday Partnership Program. Is this new, Thursday? Hindi naman, Minublang. Dahil wala ngayon, di ba? Istorbo pala itong event natin ngayon. Kaya pala may kasalanan, kaya na-move, okay? Sayang, praktisado pa naman sila. Alright. Some quick updates for our Salvo. Are you all excited with Salvo? kanina ko lang na-view ang World Trade na walang laman. Ang laki pala ng area na yon, di ba? Bakanting-bakante kanina, tapos naipasok yung kotse sa loob. Habang nagtitaping kami kanina, visualize ko na yung mangyayari by next year eh. Ay, ang ganda. 10,000 people, imagine in that stadium. Excited na ba kayo ron? Okay, that will be our biggest salvo ever, okay? Please watch this updated teaser video for salvo. Nice. Galing. Alright, so I believe most of you are here right now. May ticket na kayo. Sigurado naman ako, di ba? But to announce again the schedule, Gala Night will be on January 30 at the Marriott Manila Hotel. By the way, the Gala Night, if I'm not mistaken, is open to everyone, ano? So, okay na tayo sa mga awardees, secured na. Kasi in-increase na namin, dati nasa 300 plus lang. So, we doubled the venue. It's now good for 700 people para mas maraming maka-attend. So, that this will be the biggest Gala Night ever, di ba? So, attend kayo. Sino yung mga awardees dito? Taas sa mga may awardees? Sino yung gustong ma-awardan? Balang araw, yan. Kung gusto nyo ma-awardan, nagsisimula yan sa pag-attend ng Gala Nights, di ba? Kailangan ang itsura mo dyan sa araw na yan, dapat mukhang awardee para next year awardee ka na, di ba? So, CCL Night will be at the World Trade Center February 2, and of course, for our e-branches, we'll be having our EB conference on February 3. So, this will be a jam-packed week for Sunday. Go for speed! Kaya S.P. yan, ibig sabihin may meaning yung 5-letter words na yan. S-P-E-E-D. That will be our battle cry for 2025. Alright, so, na-announce ko na to dati during the CU updates. Quick update lang pala. Announce ko na rin ngayon, di ba? So, for those who will be attending the Gala Night, kasi pag umating ka ng CCL, meron kang 1 raffle ticket to win a brand new car, di ba? Pero, if you will be attending the Gala Night, of course, for members lang to if you'll be attending the Gala Night, bibigyan ka pa namin ng additional 5 tickets. So, meron kang total of 6 tickets, di ba? Total of 6 tickets, okay? So, the more event that you attend, the more chances of winning. Sagwang paking usbo. So, 1 brand new car for that will be raffled for the business owners. Wala rito, pero ikikwento ko na rin, ano? Balik muna ako, break. Back nga, Ryan. Kikwento ko lang yung tungkol sa kotse. Wala dito eh. By the way, di ba alam nyo namang dalawang ira-raffle natin na kotse? Para clear lang, yung isa, exclusive lang to for business owners. Yung pangalawa, open to everyone. Pero, may mechanics yun that will be announced a few days before the event. Ang importante lang, at least kahit first-timer, may chance na namang manalo ng kotse. Okay, kasi may natatanong, kotse ba pang business owner lang? Sige, mag-raffle na tayong dalawa para pwede ring makasali yung iba. Okay ba yan? Para masaya. Pero syempre, kailangan ng isang raffle na para lang sa mga business owners. Clear? Alright? Now, meron akong QR code na ilalabas dito sa inyo ngayon. Okay? Itong QR code na to is for our yung ating event, the Sante Go for Speed Salvo. Ito yung pang-update yun ng inyong, what do you call this? Your profile picture. What do you call this? This is the frame, yun, di ba? So, tingnan nyo na yung QR code. Okay lang ba? Kung, within the day, lahat tayo rito sana bago na yung profile pic. With this frame, di ba? Ang ganda. So, ayan ang QR code. Tingnan nyo na. Ayan. Mamaya i-upload ko rin yan sa mga group chats. Okay, so this will be our official Gear Up Salvo 2025 Go for Speed profile picture frame. In fairness, ang ganda. Diba? Elegante siya. And the color is in line with our color for next coming years. Alright. Gumagalaw pala yan. Sige, yan. Okay? Aangat. Pipili ka ng picture. Ang pipiliin mo, syempre, yung picture na kaaya-aya itsura. Para may pumansin, di ba? Okay. Pipili ka, akyat ka. Pag hindi ka makapili, baba ka uli. Yan. Okay. Ginahan, oh. Yan, pa-picture. Yan. Pili ka na. Wala talaga siya mapili. Diba? Yun. Okay? Alam niyo na, ha? You know the drills. Alright. Let's continue on. Nandito pala, naunahan ko lang. O basta, ayan. Inuna sinabi ko na yan, di ba? We will be raffling 2 vehicles. Alright? Excited ako dyan. First time natin paparaffle ng dalawa. Malay mo, di ba? 2026 salvo, 3 hanggang 5, di ba? Malay mo lang. Malay mo, di ba? Padala-dalawa lang, alright? Again, mechanics will be announced 2 to 3 days before our salvo event. Okay? Inuunti-unti ko yung press ng button, baka biglang mag-reveal eh, di ba? Kaya, habang nasa biyahe ako, kinakabisado ko na ba yung format ng presentation, di ba? Alright. Ay, hindi, balik ko naman. Balik lang natin, Ryan. Hindi pa. And then, yung video na yun, guard, oh. Ito yung video na ipapakita ko kasi siningit ko na lang din. That is the intro video of the Sante Indonesia Cecil Night. Alright. Wala naman sa agenda natin, pero natuwa lang ako doon sa video. So, para mai-promote ko rin sa inyo, di ba? You'll never know. You might want to join us in the Sante Jakarta Indonesia Cecil Night. It will be 1 week before Salvo Philippines. January 25, ang Cecil Night, ang Salvo for Indonesia. And we'd just like to show you our promotion video. Kung hindi nyo pa nakikita. Kung nakita nyo, kunyari ngayon nakita para masaya tayo, di ba? So please watch this video. Salvo, Indonesia. I was there. Nasa loob ako ng kotse nung sinushoot yan, di ba? Ilang beses na iwan yung kaluluwa ko. Nakahabol naman. Oo. Inamitin ako, bisaw. Nakahabol siya. Ang driver dyan is our brand ambassador in Indonesia. Remember si Anin, yung babae. Grabe. Naiwan yung kaluluwa ko. Ang bilis niyan. Sa video parang, pero pag live, di ba? Lahat ng santo tatawagin mo. Pati kay Santa Claus natawag ko eh. Tinawag ko lahat. Sarap. You call that drifting. Yung kotse na yon is her actual car na ginagamit for drifting. So, at parang type kong gawin sa Pilipinas, sino gustong sumama? Sino? Drifting. Ang sarap, di ba? Meron din dito niyan. I think sa North area, merong drifting area dito. Parang, magandang gimmick to, ha? Alright? Ano, gusto? Yes! Diba? Yung mga apat ang nagtaas ng kamay, puro babae pa. Itong mga to, kakahiya. Yung mga lalaki, pag sabi ko nakatilat sa kisame, mga elite pa man din. Diba? Next time, lagi sa qualification ng elite, dapat brave. Alright. Courage to try new things. Year-end promo, alam niyo na to, i-announce ko lang uli, di ba? Our 3+2 promo. Excited ba sa 3+2? Okay, ilang araw pa lang naman di ba? So, Sante Holiday Deals, exclusive promo. You know the drills. Buy 3, get 2, while supply lasts. Not all products, maraming stock. Okay? Yung ibang produkto, kasi syempre, piniprepare natin for 2025. So, we've allotted just some products for our 3+2 promo. Alright? Bakit tayo nag-release ng 3+2 in preparation for our grand reveal? Kasi ang assumption natin, pag nag-grand reveal tayo, a lot of people will be looking for Sante Barley. At kung wala kang stock ng product ngayon, sayang yung ano nyo, December season nyo, di ba? So we would like you to at least get hold of, at least mag-stock kayo ng produkto, no? So buy 3+2, you know this already. Products are sold on an as-is, where-is basis. And no IOUs. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Number one, wala namang near expiry product dito, di ba? Meron ba tayong near expiry dito? Wala, no? Fresh na fresh lahat ng stocks natin. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. As is where is, pag binili mo, hindi pwede isole. IOUs, ibig sabihin, pag naubusan na ng stock ng product na yon, last year kasi piniyagan natin na pag naubusan, sige, bayaran mo, kunin mo sa January. Ngayon, wala na. Pag naubusan, sorry, kahit mag-advance ka ng payment, hindi namin tatanggapin. So, wala kaming utang. No return, no exchange policy, pero hindi siya applicable sa subscribe and save. In short, yung mga naka-enroll nyo sa subscribe and save, huwag nyo i-cancel kasi walang 3+2 sa subscribe and save. So, siguro orderin mo lang doon yung kailangan mo for your requirement and then yung the rest, orderin mo na sa 3+2. And then, may maximum tayo. Unlike before, only. Ngayon may maximum lang. Maximum of 30,000 ang pwedeng bilhin ng mga business owners for the 3+2. Siyempre, unlimited ang pwede mong bilhin, regular price na. Pero sa 3+2 hanggang 30,000 lang. Okay lang ba mga kapatid? Yes! And of course, ang pinaka-warning namin dito, please sell the products at the right price. Okay lang? Kasi the company will be very strict this December and the years to come with underpricing. And ang bilin nga namin sa lahat, alam ng mga leaders natin yan, by next year, whether you're a new member of Sante or a seasoned member, if you violated our underpricing policy, we will suspend and even terminate you. Okay lang ba? But of course, alam namin wala sa kwartong ito yung mga ganon. Yung mga nasa labas ngayon, nasa Zoom sila ngayon. No, biro lang, biro lang. Hindi, wala ganyan sa Sante. Mababait ang mga tiga-Sante. Sabi nila, ang New Year's resolution nila, hindi na sila mag-underprice. And then the company will be very strict. Alam niyo kung bakit? Sayang yung campaign. We will be spending a lot on our brand ambassadors, but yung ibebenta ng mura, tayo na nga ang pinakamurang barley sa Pilipinas. Mura na, mumurahan mo pa. Diba? Kaya yung iba, Ako ito. Sino ito yung mga taas ang kamay? Hindi. Alright? Kinakabahan ako pumintot, baka biglang reveal. Alright, so that's our 3+2. Alright. Regional Travel Season 2 Qualifiers. Pasensya na kayo marami, hindi ko nababanggitin isa sa pangalan. Okay lang ba? Kung nakita nyo nandyan yung pangalan mo, magtatarang ka na lang. Di ba? Mamaya, pag pinadala ko naman sa inyo, you can screenshot it and ipagyabang mo sa buong mundo na qualifier ako. Ngayon, kung hindi ka pa qualified yung Season 1, wala ka pa rin sa Season 2, at tingin mo qualified ka, huwag ka munang malulumbay at malulungkot. Talk to our network development team. Baka nakalimutan lang ang pangalan mo. Oh, baka lang. Alright, here the list of qualifiers as of October 31. Ayan. Hindi ka na babasahin lahat. Pag nakita mo yung pangalan mo, palakapakan na lang. Season 2. Sino? Si Tina? Okay, next page. Ayan. Kung feeling mo 2 tickets ka, pero 1 ticket lang nakalagay dyan, may malapit na barangay hall dito sa area natin. Sa may paliwanag ka ron, Good na ka ron. Ayan. Page number 3. Ba, may mga familiar names, Bakit season 2 lang nag-qualify ito? Dapat season 1 tapos na. Late. Alright? Page 4. Alright. Okay. Magkakaano-ano kaya ito, no? Hulaan tayo, di ba? Si Joycel, yung nanay. Si Peter, yung tatay. Anak si Ma. Mag-asawa, no? Sino mag-asawa? Si Peter tsaka si Joycel. Anak niya na to. Sige na, At tiga-Tabuk. Grupo ni kayong grupo to? Kay Ninyo, sa inyo, galing congrats. Pero kasama na kayo, di ba? O nakakayang kasama sila kayo, hindi, di ba? Alright, page number 4. Next, page number... Indonesia na to. Indonesia qualifiers. Palakpakan nyo naman, Sante Indonesia. Hirap basahin ng mga apelyido nila, no? Si mga top leaders natin dyan. Gagaling, oh. Wow! The page 1 pa lang yan. Kala nyo, 2 pages sila. Ayan, oh. 2 pages. Galing, oh. Saya. Okay, pag magkakasama tayo, magkakamukha tayo. Ha? Pag nagsalita na lang, iba language sila. But these are our top leaders from Sante, Indonesia. And you'll be happy to meet all of them, di ba? Yan. Palapakan nyo naman Sante, Indonesia. At meron 3 tiga Hong Kong. Yehey! Uy, si Susan Furigay. Melissa Caballero. And Jocelyn Lubong. Binasa 3 lang sila, di ba? From Sante, Hong Kong. Nice. Galing. So, may from Indonesia, may from Hong Kong. So, galing. We have a total of 340 qualifiers. Yun yung unofficial list. I don't know. Kasama na ba ang branches doon? Hindi pa. Ay, hindi pa. So, 340 pa lang. Or nadagdagan na. 340 plus daw. Yan. Wala pa yung mga branches. Alright. Galing. Kakatuwa. Pinakamalaki natin to, no? Sino sa inyo naniniwala na next year kuha natin 500? Taas sa mga kamay. Go for 500 next year. Hindi tayo tapos sa battle cry na go for 500, ha? Kailangan matupad natin yun. Pangarap natin yun. Ayun na! Wala ba? Some corporate marketing and product brand updates. Alright? Kada pindot, nang gigigil mga tao rito. Eh. Ano? Sige. Ha? Ano? Ano yun? May papasok dito? Buhay ba yan? Buhay? Papatay natin ilaw. Patay natin ilaw. O, dito papatayin daw mamay ilaw. Pagpatay ng ilaw, yung mga wallet nyo, hawakan nyo. Ganyan. Ingat yung mga wallet, hawakan. Okay. Some corporate marketing and ang haba kasi yung taping ko kanina. Sabi lang taping ko 8 o'clock, ay 7:30. Dahil si Paul 8:30, 1 hour lang. Alam nga 3 o'clock ako pa rin. Oo. Tapos si Paul tsaka yung mga elite, nagbabanding lang. 8 hours sila naghihintay doon. Wala pa yung mga elite, ano? Elite sila. Nasa labas ba yung mga elite? Elite. Sabi ko naman, pagdating nila rito, at least alam na nila kung sino. Alright, some marketing updates. Panoorin na to. These are the summary of our recent races, di ba? Rock and Roll and the Hoka Trilogy. Let's watch this video.
Are you guys
Sante actually, first of all, refreshing siya. Super healthy siya and it's rich in nutrients and hindi siya mapait. Yeah, it's yummy. It's good, it's refreshing, right? After the run, it's refreshing. The drink is refreshing. Thank you, Sante Barley.
So it's a good alternative if you want to burn fat easily or have a healthy lifestyle.
So when I actually tried it, it's so refreshing.
Hindi lang siya healthy, masarap talaga siya.
Thank you, Sante Barley.
I love how refreshing the drink is. It's very oaky and very natural.
Namit yun siya.
Lasang matcha, masarap!
Lasang lemony, hindi ka magsasawa.
Refreshing po siya, tsaka it's good for the body, especially after the workout.
Yung Choco Barley, I tried it for the first time, so it's really good. It's a good post-workout, so after a run.
Happy kami nga ari ang Sante Barley sa Kokalekto diri sa Bacolod and mamabala na mo namin siya nga post-run drink.
Nakaka-healthy pala. What I like about Sante Barley is that hindi siya lasang damo, masarap siya.
Okay siya, nice siya for post-run drink. And it tastes good. Mura siya matcha type, tapos ganahan ko, nice siya. And good for post-run drink yun siya. Recommended.
Regarding about barley, of course masarap siya. Yung lemon mas masarap kasi there's a twist. And with that, dagang salamat, Sante Barley!
Let's keep on! Go more! Run more!
Alright. Ingatan niyo tumaob yung mga yan. Alright. Okay, dito na, listen. Yung mga rants na pinakita ko sa inyo, that's the recent for this year, that's the Hoka Trilogy. Alright, Hoka is, well, the reason why it's Hoka Trilogy is because it's sponsored by Hoka, presented by Sante Barley. Pero this is the good news. The good news is by next year, baliktad na. It's now the Sante Barley Trilogy, presented by Hoka. Alright, so tayo na ngayon. Ngayon na maganda dyan, kwento ko lang sa inyo, no? It will be our race. Sige, pakita ko na yung, what's the next? The next by is the video. Alright. So, it will now be the Sante Barley Trilogy. It's our brand. Brand na natin yan. Di ba? Proud ka ba dyan? Yeah! So, I think this has a minimum of 19 races all over the Philippines. Alright? Nawala lang yata yung Baguio. So, we have 3 in Manila, 3 in Iloilo, Davao, Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, Baguio yata wala ngayon eh. Baguio wala. Plus, Bacolod meron? Bacolod. And then, pag natapos mo yung tatlo, kasama ka sa finals in Manila. And ang kwento ko lang sa inyo, last Sunday was the final race. That's the 19th race of the Hoka Trilogy. So, recognize ko lang, may mga business owners tayo na tumakbo ng finals. Ibig sabihin, tumakbo ng 42 kilometers. Nice! Diba? Diba? Welcome. I-recognize lang natin. Nakita ko isa rito, nakapaglakad ka na. Iyabang mo, tumakbo ka pa sa hagdanan. Diba? Okay. Pabibo ng konti, diba? Hindi hirap, diba? First marathon niya to, diba? He did great. Buhay naman siya pagka-cross siya ng finish line. Medyo nagbabarley roll siya, di ba? Palakpakan niya one of our elites, Giovanni Flores. Naks naman, no? Huwag natin sabihin kung gano'ng katagal mo tinapos. Pero na-maximize mo investment, di ba? Na-maximize, Alright, another finisher. Si Cody ba nandito ngayon? Si Cody. Ayun, another finisher, si Cody. Palakpakan nyo? From Mindanao, from Davao. Okay? And of course, tatlo lang kayo, di ba? Tatlo lang, tama, no? Ay, hindi, 4. Meron pang isa. Yung pangatlo, the husband of our branch operator from Baguio. I forgot his name, eh. Pero he also ran 42 kilometers. Nandito ba sila ngayon? Umuwi na, sa Baguio na. I forgot his name. Umuwi na, no? And syempre, pang-4, one of our Sante Elites, our number 1 Sante Elite, Miss Ed. Saan si Ed? Siyempre si Eds? Eds Icaria. Alright, so ganito yan. Makinig mga kapatid. Kaya exciting tong race na to. Kasi by next year, since brand na natin yan, we're expecting all of you to be there. Alright, dito lang yan, ano? Kahit na ang salihan mo yung 5 kilometer, lakarin mo, matatapos mo yun. Walang biro. Ang 5 kilometer, pag nilakad mo ng dire-diretso, in 1 hour's time, tapos ka. Diba? Sino sa inyo, tapatan lang tayo para clear, medyo marunong maglakad. That's my way. Kasi gusto natin by next year masaya. Okay lang ba? At ang inisip namin ngayon, kasi pag natapos mo yung leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, kasama ka sa leg 4. At ang maganda rito, ang ganda ng design ng medal ngayon. Yung medal kasi bubuin mo eh. So, 3 medals mo, yung pang-4 na medal mo, yun yung pinakalalagyan mo ng 3 para mabuo. Gusto nyo makita yung medal ng Sante Barley Trilogy? Please watch this video. Ganda. Ganito yan, I'm sure, di ko lang, Pao, correct me if I'm wrong, yung 5-5-5-10 ba, meron din ganyan? Hindi. Alright, gito. There are 2 options to get this kind of a medal. Okay, yung mas maliit na version niya, mag 5K ka ng leg 1, mag 5K ka ng leg 2, mag 5K ka ng leg 3, qualified ka sa leg 4, which is 10K. Pag nakumpleto mo yun, meron kang ganyan. Alright? Pero syempre, mas malaki yung totoong distance. Okay. Yung totoong distance, leg 1, mag 15K ka, leg 2, 21K, Leg 3 is 31 or 32? 32K. Ang leg 4 is 42K. At ang gagawin ng Sante ganito. Wala pa ako ipapako ano ha. Sa lahat ng business owners na matatapos yung leg 4 nung 15, 21, 32, and 42, magbibigay rin ng Sante ng special gift dun sa mga business owners na makakatapos ng 4. Provided business owner ka since leg 1 ha. Baka kasi natapos yung leg 3, ay ganun ba? Magbi-business. Hindi. Leg 1 dapat business owner ka na. So pag nakompleto mo yun, nag-iisip lang kami ng special gift for you na nakatapos nung 42K. Right? But bottom line mga kapatid, ang goal natin sa Sante is to have a healthy and active lifestyle. Kaya ang pakiusap namin, sana every event sa Manila, kung tiga Manila ka ha, kung tiga Cebu, Davao ka, dun ka syempre. Pwede ka rin dito, syempre, welcome kayo anywhere. Pero if tiga Manila kayo, you're part of our Sante family, please, join all the events. Kahit 5K lang, okay lang yun. Alright? Bawal ang absent ha? Para during event, imagine mo parang may Cecil night tayo ron, di ba? Alright? Maliwanag mga kapatid? Huwag ka lang magre-recruit ng runners ha? Baka naman habang tumatakbo, namimigay ka ng flyer ha? Huwag ka na. Alam ko na iniisip nyo. Baka habang tumatakbo, hingal, open-minded ka ba? Yari tayo yan. Kinakabahan ako dyan sa mga nakatayong yan. Eh, oh. Baka mag-grand reveal ng di oras yan. Matibay ba yung mga paan yan? Okay. Okay, tuloy na natin to. Kalimutan nyo muna yung mga multong nandyan. Alright. Alright. Alright, so siningit ko lang, and you all know this, that we already have our box of 10s and 30s sachet without stevia. Okay lang yan? So kung mapapansin nyo, of all the companies in the Philippines and maybe in the world, we have the most complete lines of barley products. Kaya hindi mo natutuwa, di ba? So lahat ng kailangan ng mga customers nyo or mga users nyo or mga members nyo, kompleto na sa Sante. Okay ba yan? Di ba? Siyempre, excited tayo dun sa lalabas ng first quarter next year. Alam niyo yan, di ba? Di ba? The Sante Beauty, the Sante Barley with collagen. Yay! In-announce na naman yun, kaya pwede ko uli announce. Alright, now, for quite some time, we fall in love with our tagline, Live More, Do More. Excited ba kayo dyan, di ba? Live More, Do More, di ba? Basahin ko lang to, no? Our journey with Live More, Do More has been incredibly inspiring, motivating us, and we're embracing life's possibilities. Diba? Now we're taking that energy to the next level with our new campaign. Let me just share to you another video to intro our new tagline. So from day one, not necessarily day one, a few years when we launched Sante, ang battle cry natin is for all of us to live more, do more. When I say living more and doing more, it's more than having a healthy body, but of course, having that lifestyle to enjoy life. Tama, di ba? Kaya nga we've been traveling around, a lot of our business owners are buying their cars, di ba? By the way, in Sante, talking about cars, ang daming may kotse rito. We're not in the habit of promoting luxuries, buy Lamborghinis and Ferrari, because that's not who we are. If someday you want to buy a Lamborghini and you can afford it, why not, di ba? Pero alam ko namang gamitin mo ba yung Lamborghini sa 2 hours sa EDSA kanina, di ba? Pero maganda rito, because of our battle cry, a lot of people have traveled. Nagugulat ako yung mga testimony kanina, 51 countries, 41 countries. Ang gagaling nyo, nabilang nyo talaga, ha? Grabe, yun yung living more and doing more. But now, moving forward, okay, 2025 and beyond. Well, of course, kung hindi nyo po alam, itong buwan na to is already 2025 for Sante. This is already our next fiscal year. We are launching a new campaign. Hindi naman lumalayo sa ating Live More, Do More, but it's something new, something direct, and I believe something na pangahawakan natin for next coming years. So let me just share to you a very simple, short video of our new campaign. Please watch this. Simple lang. Vibrant yung color. It's Live for More. Palakpakan niyo naman yan. Basahin ko lang, no? Our vibrant new color symbolizes energy, growth, and boldness, each representing a different facet of what Sante Barley stands for. Nakaka-excite because I know that in the next coming years, alright, Sante will not only be for one single generation, but for every generation. Naniniwala ba kayo dyan? Yes. Diba? Dati pag pinag-usapan sa Sante, ano ba yan? Pang matanda? No, it's now for everybody. In fact, day one pa lang natin, ang daming mga business owners ang lalakas ng loob na kahit yung mga anak nilang baby, pinapatik ng barley. We're not promoting it, but they're doing that, di ba? Ano yung effect? Namimiss na ng mga anak nila yung doktor nila, di ba? Basahin ko lang to, na I love this. The diversity of these colors reflects our commitment to inclusivity and innovation, while their brightness signals a forward-thinking approach, guiding us towards fresh opportunities and new direction in helping people live better lives. Are you ready for our reveal? Yes! Ako rin. Inom muna ako tubig. But, syempre, before I introduce to you our new brand ambassadors, I'd just like to recognize, syempre, yung long-time brand ambassadors natin, di ba? You know naman, Kuya Kim, he's a beloved figure and he's not... For me, I don't consider Kuya Kim as a simple brand ambassador. He's already part of our family for more than a decade na, no? He's so loyal and committed to us. Ang daming lumalapit dyan. In fact, may lumalapit dyan na same product, barley. Ang laki ng ino-offer sa kanya. Pero kay Kuya Kim, no. Sante is one of those companies na kahit iniwan na ako ng maraming brand, nakastick pa rin ang Sante sa akin. Nung nawala siya sa ABS-CBN, ang dami nag-pull out. May mga brands daw siya na, ayaw magbanggit ng brand, may mga brand daw na ang tagal-tagal niya nang in-endorse, biglang makareceive lang siya ng text message na hindi na siya endorser. Kaya loyal sa atin si Kuya Kim because, no, well, not only we've been loyal to us, but he's part of our family, okay? He's been with us from the beginning and we're so proud to continue on our journey with Kuya Kim. By the way, tomorrow kami ni Kuya Kim will be our, again, what do you call that? Media launch. So may mga media people doon. Okay. Exciting. Please watch a video. Kuya Kim pa lang to, Kuya Kim pa lang.
I was with them when the company was starting out. I was the first real endorser. And then the owner became a friend. I was a beginning triathlete and the owner, Joey, is also a beginning triathlete. And we were going to do our first half Ironman together. The product is in line with the lifestyle of the owner and the company. And that's my lifestyle as well. I believe in prevention. I believe in maintaining my health and making my immune system as strong as I can.
Sante Barley, our family believes in holistic health. Dapat kumakain tayo ng maganda, dapat nag-exercise tayo. And of course, the product itself is healthy. Bihira kang uminom ng produkto na healthy na, masarap pa.
I have an emotional attachment to the brand and to the company. I've been with Sante Barley for 13 years now, and it's very fulfilling to see the company grow. When they first got me as endorser, it was on its way up pa lamang, and now it's far number one already compared to all its competitors. To be part of its growth is very fulfilling for me for the past 13 years. This is Kuya Kim. I live for more with Sante Barley.
Galing. Ano ba nakakatuwa for 2025 for Kuya Kim? First time niyang nagpakita ng abs in public na. At tuwan-tuwa siya, di ba? At hinahamon niya ako. Sabi ko, bigyan mo lang ng few months. Sabi ng mga nakadinig, matagal mo nang sinasabi yan. Oo nga. Mangyayari yan. Ready na? Basahin ko muna. Okay. So we are beyond excited to introduce to you, of course, our newest brand ambassadors with an S. Each one a remarkable individual who embodies the spirit of living life to the fullest. By the way, medyo mapili tayo sa pagpili ng brand ambassador. Hindi porket sikat, maganda, game na, di ba? Hindi, pinag-aaralan muna natin yan. Marami tayong options, pero of course, nag-zero down tayo. Pinili natin yung talagang alam natin who can represent Sante, not only locally, but even internationally, okay? Some of the criteria that we're looking for is, number one, their dedication, yung passion nila, and inspiring energy should be perfectly in alignment with the values of Sante Barley. So join us in welcoming some extraordinary personalities who will help us continue to inspire people, live more, do more. The first. Tatlo yan. The first, we're thrilled to welcome an extraordinary... Next slide muna kaya. Ganda talaga ng logo ng Live for More. By the way, yung colors na yan, medyo, may significance yan. Alright, so we are thrilled to welcome an extraordinary individual who embodies resilience and a passion for living life to its fullest. With his unstoppable drive to push boundaries and excel every day, he inspires us all to break limits and achieve more. Let's run more and live more with our first brand ambassador. Our first one. Ayan na.
This is Coach Rio. I live for more with Sante Barley.
Si Coach Rio de la Cruz, commonly known as Run Rio, he is the biggest name when it comes to running, not only in the Philippines, but globally. Yung buhok na yan, may meaning yan. Ba't yan ang buhok niya dyan? Hindi yung ganun. Hindi yung ginamit. Alam niyo one thing about Coach Rio, kaya matagal na namin gustong maging magka-partner in terms of doing something, di ba? Ngayon, we're in partnership with him. He is our brand ambassador. We're an official title sponsor of his trilogy. Alam niyo kung bakit na gusto ko makipag-partner kay Rio? Grabing story niya. From nothing yan, from zero. Di ba? He's from UP, currently the coach of the UP track team. Pero yung story niya, hindi kilala yan. Napaka-ordinaryong tao. Ito yung from rags to riches story. Ayoko nang ikwento yung buong story niya. Pero one of the sought-after marathon races right now is the Sydney Marathon. Alright? I've been running marathons for several years already. And ang hinahabol ko is to finish my 6 major marathons. That's Boston, New York, Chicago, Berlin, London, and Tokyo. 6 yun. Nakakatato na ako, 3 na lang. Big races to. Merong pang 7 na nilaunch. Kaya sabi ko, kakala ko 6 tapos na may isa pa. Yung pang 7 nilaunch early this year, it's the Sydney Marathon. And Sydney Marathon is owned by Rio de la Cruz. Grabe yan. Paro siyang naging may-ari ng isang international race. He will be with us during our Salvo event and he will share his story. Bukod sa sikat siya sa buong running, kilala sa buong Pilipinas siya, pero more than kilala siya, he is really one of the advocates of healthy lifestyle, healthy living, and a good story for our business owners, di ba? Kung ang isang ordinaryong taong parang si Rio became so successful in his passion, tayo rin kaya natin. Tama ba? So welcome our first brand ambassador. Pinapahaba talaga yun, no? Coach Rio de la Cruz. Whew! Ryan, nabantayan mo, baka masobra ng pindot. Coach Rio de la Cruz, the new Sante brand ambassador. Yung buhok niya, nakita nyo, yan ang naging iconic sa Pilipinas. Kaya yung logo ng Run Rio, pag ganyan. Pag nakita ka ganyang buhok, yan. Si Rio, Coach Rio. Okay. Joining us as well is a true icon of positivity and resilience. An award-winning comedian, TV host, an advocate for self-expression and equality. Known for breaking barriers and inspiring millions with her courage and authenticity. Let's live for more with the one and only. Kinakabahan akong pinda doon. Let's do it. Alright. Sino tama hula? Taas ang kamay. Obvious na naman. Alam mo, one thing na nakaka-excite with Vice, syempre ako kilala ko si Vice, pero hindi naman kasi ako masyadong ma-showbiz di ba? I don't know her, pero nakita ko lang yung mga shows, ganyan. Pero alam mo, when I first met her, nung kinuwento niya yung story niya, sabi ko, ito yung isa sa mga examples na gusto kong madinig ng mga tiga-Sante. Maganda yung kwento niya. I don't know if, I think she'll be there during Salvo. She will tell her story. Pero one thing na nagustuhan ko sa kanya, hindi siya, okay, ito yung isang kwento niya, no? Yung time na nasa comedy bar pa siya, galing siya sa hirap Nung time na nasa comedy bar siya, hindi niya kinukuha yung sweldo niya. Ang ginagamit siya lang pang araw-araw yung mga tip na natatanggap niya. At yung sweldo niya, iniipon niya kasi ayaw niyang bumili ng kahit ano na hindi cash. Sabi, siya isang perfect example ng taong magaling mag-save. And he is an inspiration. She is an inspiration not only to the LGBT community but to everyone. In fact, pag kinikwento niya sa akin kung paano niya in-inspire yung mga kapwa niya LGBT na parang ang lalaki ng kinikita niyo, learn how to handle your money. Kaya ang ganda nung kwentuhan kami, sabi ko, wow, magandang inspiration siya sa mga business owners ng Sante. More than her popularity, it's her story. Right? And one of the things na siyempre nagustuhan natin, araw-araw hawak niya ang microphone. Kaya yung nangyari nung isang araw sa Showtime, hindi natin expected yun. Wala pang grand reveal Sabi niya lang, padala kayo ng product dito. Meron akong bibigyan. Kasi yung movie niya, by the way, ang maganda ngayon, yung movie niya, this coming Film Fest, is the first ever movie niya na seryoso. Alam mo kung bakit tumayo balihibo namin, nakita kami, nag-usap kami? Kasi ang title ng movie niya is yung And the Breadwinner Is. It's about breadwinners na makaka-inspire ng maraming member ng Sante. Kaya nagpapadala siya ng product, sabi niya merong breadwinner siyang bibigyan ng something, di ba? Nagpadala yung product sa kanya. Imagine mo, without us advertising dun sa show, free. Product lang. Biglang sinabi pa niya na, totoo naman, I'm taking Sante. Pero sobrang organic, hindi scripted. Kaya, wala na, una nang i-announce, diba? Ginulo ko lang kayo, diba? Naguluhan naman kayo. Gulong-gulo naman kayo, diba? Nataranta kayo. Galing. Pero happy ba kayo with Vice? Grabe. Excited. I want you to hear her more during Salvo. She'll be there, of course. Alright, and launching our... Okay. Pakita mo natin yung picture ni Vice. Yan, ganda. Yan. Mamaya I'll be uploading this slide sa mga group chat. So, Para screenshot nyo na lang. Even yung behind the scenes video, upload ko, download nyo na lang, and then share it to the world. Let's make our December our biggest December ever. Alright? Next. Pag-play ko ng video, tahimik muna kayo, kasi meron unang sinabi siya na nung sinabi niya yung statement na yun, kinilabutan ako. So, bago kayo magsisigaw, magtitili. Panoorin nyo na muna. Up next, our third. Up next is a true legend in Philippine entertainments. A celebrated actor, comedian, and TV host, who has been a source of joy and inspiration for generations. He possesses exceptional wit, charisma, and a great passion for living life to the fullest. Ayan na. Let's live for more with this legendary icon. A Philippine icon. Ready na? Tahimik muna, ha? Ito na. Isa pa. Isang pindot pa to.
And 3, 2, and action!
This is Vic Soto. I live for more with Sante Barley.
Galing. So, naniwala na kayo ng dalawa are the biggest names in the Philippines? Diba? Akala nyo bola lang yun. Totoo yun, diba? Alam niyo, maganda rito is this. Alam mo yung parang, for me, it's bound to happen. Nanggaling lang to sa mga series of meetings, series of suggestions. We will realize, ang unang hindi ko na-realize, yung pangalan nila, ilang ang difference. So. Pangalawa, this is the first time na yung dalawang big names na yan nagsama sa isang brand. Ang may sabi nyo si Vice, sabi ni Vice, alam mo, matagal ko nang hinihintay na may isang company na kuhanin kami sabay kasi it will be something big. Ang magiging perception lang sa kumpanya, sobrang big time nito na pagsama kaming dalawa. Right? Kakatuwa. Tsaka remember, they are two of the icons of the two big shows, which is Showtime and Itbulaga, di ba? At silang dalawa, hawak nila yung microphone araw-araw. At kahit anong gusto nilang sabihin about our brand, sabihin nila, di ba? Katuwa, no? Tsaka, talking about Vic Soto, let's face it, parang for the past X number of years, bata pa tayo, Vic Soto na yan, yung respeto ng tao na sa kanya. Grabe. Ang ganda ng reputation nila. Itong tatlong big names na to, honestly, will really set us apart from any other company in the Philippines. These are the big names. The biggest name in the sporting community, in showbiz, entertainment, nasa atin na, di ba? So mga kapatid, your company, Sante International, is doing whatever it takes to help you not only promote the product but build your business. Diba, with these brand ambassadors, alam kong maraming matutulungang mga Pilipino na magbago ang buhay. Yun naman ang pangarap natin, di ba? Excited na ba kayo? Yeah! Grabe. Kinikilabutan ako dyan. Makatulog kaya tayo mamayang gabi? Sino sa inyo ang magyayabang na nagsabing, nahulaan ko silang dalawa, taas ang kamay? Eh di wow. Diba? Galing, ha? By the way, kaya tayo may standy dyan para mamaya pwede kayong magpa-picture, di ba? So, post it online, di ba? Ilan bang set ng stand dito? 3 sets. Ihiwa-hiwalay namin. Huwag kayong magagawa na. Sana, pagkatapos ng gabing to, tigatlo pa rin yan, ha? Baka may magbulsa eh. By the way, this will be, yung mga branches can already order this, I think, ano? Yung mga branches natin, ready na, no? And we are preparing all marketing collaterals for this December. Ay natin patagal ng January. Kaya di ba sabi ko nga, by the way, even si Vic Soto, this is the first time na meron siyang serious na movie. In fact, may nabasa nga akong article na, yung article, sinabi nila na, Vice Ganda and Vic Soto, serious movie. Parang first time to, sabay. Ako na-excite ako, pagdasal nyo, sana isa sa kanilang dalawa. Kasi si Vice, sabi niya, hindi siya vying for best actress, for best actor din ang gusto niya. Ngayon yung best actor kasi, may isang napanood akong video niya, tinatanong siya parang, nakalimutan ko, ayoko magkamali sa sinabi niya. Pero sabi niya, gusto mo bang maging babae? Hindi ako babae. Gay ako because of these features. I don't want to pretend that I'm a girl, di ba? So ito, vying for best actor din. At ito yung nakakatuwa. Since dalawang series movie yun, there's a huge possibility that one of them will be the best actor for Metro Manila Film Fest. Ay, ito, survey lang, titingnan ko kung suportahan nyo kami. We're planning, kuha na natin, no? Sure na yun, no? Yung date lang, December ba? We're planning na magpa-black screening ng movie nila, tig-isa. Sino sa inyo manonood? So, ibig sabihin, wag na muna kayong manood. Ibig sabihin, hintayin yung black screening sa atin, doon lang tayo manood, di ba? May bayad yun, hindi libre yun. So, magpapa-black screening tayo to support Vic and Vice. Kung titingnan natin kung kakayanin pa ngayong December. Kung kakayanin, why not? Maybe isa sa December, isa sa January. So, huwag nyo muna panoorin. Gusto nyo panoorin nyo na. Tapos, pag nanood ulit kayo, huwag lang kayong spoiler, ha? Baka naman, ganito mangyari dyan, ganito. So, syempre, parang support natin sa kanya and parang part na rin ng promotion natin yan. And sa lahat ng campaigns sila ngayon, yung mga media campaigns ng mga movies sila, involved tayo because we will be giving products away sa mga press people, di ba? Syempre, galing ba? Timing, di ba? Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, may reason kung bakit December natin sila ilo-launch because of the Metro Manila Film Fest. Grabe. Hindi ba ka na-excite dyan? Grabe. Napalakpakan naman natin ang Sante team. Of course, I don't want to mention any department in Sante because all of the departments in Sante did their part for this grand reveal. Alright? Of course, starting point pa lang to of our brand relaunch. So, I'll be ending this presentation by sharing to you something. Naka-excite Kinikilabutan ako. So, ito lang to. I'll be reading something, okay? It's, Jeng, we will be sharing this letter to them, sa inyo na yung letter, Pero basahin ko lang sa inyo to. Kasi would like to get your support and commitment, So, our new journey starts now. Let's push beyond limits, embrace every moment, and create a life purpose. Meron kaming letter na binigay sa inyo, pero hindi mo nang basahin ngayon. Love letter namin sa inyo yan. Pero may video ko ipi-play sa inyo about that letter also. Alright? So, Live for More is all about living with even greater purpose and passion. It's about having the most power to go beyond just doing more. It's about truly living for those moments that matters most, fueled by the strength and energy that Sante Barley gives. Sante is doing whatever it takes to provide for all of you. Whether bago ka Sante or matagal ka na, alam nyo sa sarili nyo that we're authentic whenever we say we wanted to help people live better lives. It's not just about doing business. Yes, we're doing a business, we wanted to earn money, pero ang paniniwala namin kasi, money will just be a result of things that we will do. If we will be doing the right things, money will flow. And if we will be doing things that will help a lot of people, money will flow continuously. Kasi ang goal namin, hindi na nagpo-flow yung pera sa Sante, nagpo-flow din yan sa mga business owners natin. Diba? Sabi ko nga sa mga top leaders natin, matatanggap nyo pa ba na magkahiwa-hiwalay tayo rito? Di ba gusto natin hanggang senior citizen, magkakasama na tayo rito? Na balang araw, we're just reminiscing yung mga travel natin, yung, di ba, yung mga video okay nights natin, di ba? So we wanted that to happen. Let me just share to you this video. Yung letter na hawak nyo ngayon, pag uwi nyo ng bahay, i-frame nyo yan, basahin nyo lagi, because that's our commitment to you, and we hope that you share the same commitment, not only to Sante, but to your team. So I'll be ending this CU updates and grand reveal. Happy naman kayo sa nangyari ngayon? Yeah! I'll be ending this CU updates and grand reveal with a simple video. Pakinggan nyo, panoorin nyo, and see if it will touch your heart. Please watch this video. Patay natin lights. Meron ba? May isa pa? May isa pa akong slide, sorry. Ayan, yung picture lang. Picture nyo, sige, nasama-sama sila. Patay yung ilaw. Ano bang effect ito pag patay ilaw? Iyon, no? Galing, no? So, this year, 2025 onwards, you'll see Sante in this color. Of course, our box is still green. Hindi namang mabago yan. Pero we wanted to be different. Right? When we started Sante, almost all barley companies are colored green. And by 2025 onwards, we will set Sante apart from any other barley company. So this will be the new colors of Sante. Ganda, no? Excited. Alright, I'll be ending with a video. And please listen, please watch, enjoy. Ryan? Pa-click na lang. At least naghang last slide na, di ba? Ayan. On the lights, one ceremonial selfie before we end. Oh, smile, everyone. Yun. Okay. 1, 2. Ayan, alright. Before we end, I would like to give the microphone to the original hosts. May announcement lang sila about the giveaways for the first 100 lang ba? Dinigdagan yata nila, naging first 101. Ayan. Ayan, ibang ilan, good for ilan. So, in-extend nila, instead of first 100, the first 130 raw. We will be given a some free, basta free. Alright. Thank you very much. Excited ba kayo? Thank you. God bless you all.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Sir Joey! Hi, Joven, he made it! Grabe, December na pero sobrang daming pasabog ni Sante. Exciting yun, di ba?
Yes! So, December, tama ka, December. And we are ready for more pa. Are you guys ready for more?
Yes!
Oh, di ba? Grabe, ramdam na ramdam yung energy.
Yes,
diba?
ang daming energy.
And
So,
what a revelation, Pao. I must
True.
say, di ba? Ang daming...
ang bigat.
Totoo,
Yes.
ang dami nilang mga haka-haka, pero tama pala sila. Ayan. So, with that, we would like to thank everyone for taking your time to join us on our grand celebration.
Yes, and our grand reveal. And then for those po who registered, the first 130 will get
130, yeah.
free snacks.
Yes.
And then the first 100 will get free stickers
Good.
of our new
Ayan.
campaign, Live
Yes.
for More campaign.
So yung
Yes.
stickers, gamitin nyo siya, lagay nyo siya sa mga
Tumblers,
laptops,
or
ayan,
whatever.
sa mga ginagamit.
Waterproof po yan.
Yes, and we will leave it here po yung standee natin
Yes.
for a while para you can use it for photo op, and please lang be careful with our standees. Sana walang mapuputol na paa or kamay or
Yes po.
worse this ulo.
We also set up some standees outside po the
Outside.
hall, so we still have other standees outside.
Yes.
Sila din po ang makikita nyo. And so, ingatan lang po natin. And sabi nga ni Sir Joey, sana kumpleto pa sila after this time.
Ayan. So let's utilize our new collaterals and our new standees. Ayan. So we
Again.
hope to see your posts sa social media. Don't forget to tag us, and do we have yung tag nyo yung Facebook.
We will be posting our official hashtags on our... Ayan, sorry. Sige,
Okay.
wait lang po. Para sabay-sabay tayong mag-post
Oo, para talagang
as we end the
trending
night.
tayo ngayon sa social media.
Toby.
And again, yung mga first 130
ano ni
registrants natin will receive a free snack. And yung first 100, mayroon din silang sticker.
Okay.
Ayan.
So, para po sa mga magpo-post of our Grand Reveal Day, please post with the hashtag Sante Grand Reveal Day. And don't forget to tag our official pages. And for our Sante Brand Ambassadors new hashtags, just wait po for the new post on our official social media pages. So, that's all. Thank you po.
Ayan. Again, our official hashtag is
Sante Grand Reveal Day.
Ayan. Gamitin po natin yan. And I think that's it, pal.
Yes, that's it for tonight. And
yeah, have a restful evening, everyone. Thank you so much.
thank you so much.